Hello, awesome people. Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. So, today makes 3 years as a YouTube channel, as a video creator. It's been a long struggle, but it's paying off now. It's taken a little while. I set up a social network a long time ago, and the channel was my computer was down for 7 months, so I got a lot of that activated again. So I will be getting more views, and I want to thank all of my regular personnel. Thank you for all the watch time hours. I just went over, I think it was 3 weeks ago, I just went over 1,000 watch time for the last 365. So I'm learning more about the gardening stuff. Farmer G is rocking out with his garden, and the Sapper Gardener, Essayance Family Garden, he's rocking out with his garden indoors and outdoors. And I just learned from another channel that onions, garlic, chives ward off the bad bugs. So I've got 3 trays of chives I just planted up today. That's going to make up to the 21 trays I now have, whether it sprouts or seeds just getting planted. I did vow to grow the YouTube channel and the gardening as well as the solar. I've been lacking on the solar for a little bit, but I'm going to get that knocked out probably in the next 2 weeks. And both battery banks need water, and so I got 4 gallons of distilled water. That'll go quick. I need to go get some more. So yeah, a lot of things happening. I want everyone to stay safe out there, and y'all probably already realize, like with my factory that I'm in, we went through this contagion back in November, December time. So stay vigilant. Vegetables are your medicine. So if you know my Facebook, either one of them, I have one for solar dedicated and one that's mine. You got to keep them separated for a reason, because when I first started becoming a YouTube channel, I had a lot of naysayers. People didn't pay attention, they didn't care, they laughed at me all the time. So I kept it separated. Now I got the solar network. Solar Brothers, go to YouTube or go to Facebook. My group is called DIY Solar and Wind. Go ahead, put your videos on there. And I'm going to say, if you wanted a little jump boost, I think I got 3,000 people in that. If you put one video on there every 2 days, that'll help your channel, and that'll help the group so that there's more people in there. Bobby's Solar Homestead, I will make you admin. 2 admins already. Southern Ohio Solar Homestead, Southeast Ohio Solar Haven is already admin, so I got 2 solar admins already. So I want to see this channel grow. People get in there and ask questions. It's beyond me. So I got a couple people in there answering the questions that I have no knowledge of. That's way above me. I don't even have lithium yet. So all solar people, go to Facebook group, DIY Solar and Wind. Start posting your videos on there. You'll get a lot more views. And thank you for being subscribed to the channel. And God bless. I hope y'all got your gardens going, because that is the only medicine that I'll ever take. I eat at least a quarter of a head of lettuce every day, mixed in with many others. That's why I haven't been sick in 18 months. So I'm going to cut it right there. You all have a beautiful solar day.